Now coming to question number 2, the domestic supply and demand equations for a commodity in the country are as follows. Supply is P is equals to 50 plus Q, demand is P equals to 200 minus 2Q. So let me just write down these equations. So supply is P equals to 50 plus Q. So Q supplied is equals to P minus 50, and demand equation is Q demanded is equals to 100 minus P by 2. Okay. P is price in kilogram, Q is quantity in thousands of kilograms. Country is a small producer where the price is will not be affected by anything done by this country. Okay, so this is your domestic supply and demand. It's a small producer with the price is rupees 60 per kg. The government of this country introduces a permit policy which works as follows. The government issues a fixed number of permits. Each permit allows its owner to sell exactly 100 kilograms of commodity in this country's market. An exporter from a foreign country cannot sell in this commodity in this country unless she purchases a permit. Suppose the government issues 300 permits. What is the maximum price an exporter is willing to pay for a permit? Okay, so that's the problem at hand, that the price, the domestic price is rupees 60. Sorry, the world price. So price in world is rupees 60. Okay. Permit the quantity per permit is equal is that is allowed is 100 kg. Okay. So given that Q was thousands of kilograms, so in thousands of kilograms this becomes 0.1 tons. Okay, 1000 kilograms is 0.1 tons. So with a permit you are able to sell 0.1 quantity when you talk about these things. So these quantities are in tons, so that's why I want to convert this into tons. Okay, and the number of permits is equals to 300. Okay, so that's the idea. So total production with permits will be equal to 30 tons. Okay, so if you sell all the permits, then the total amount of production will be 30 tons. So total, so let me call this as imports, total imports, right, total imports. So this is the domestic market. This was the domestic thing. This was for the domestic producers, and this is for the foreign producers. So if all the permits are sold, so first of all, if you're what is the price which is going to be existent in this economy without any permit being sold? That's the idea. So is there any demand at all? That's the question at hand. So so if you just consider the domestic market, then what's happening in the domestic market is that if you equate quantity supplied equals to quantity demanded, then you get P minus 50 is equals to 100 minus P by 2. So this implies 3P by 2 is equals to 150, which implies price is equals to 100. So domestic price without any imports will be 50. So domestic price without any imports is equals to 100. So definitely people want to enter this market. Okay, so people wish to enter into this market. Now if everybody, if all permits are sold, so first of all, domestic price is greater than foreign price, which is equals to rupees 60. So that's why people want to import. People want to export here. Okay, so people want to export here. So if all permits are sold, then the total quantity which is going to be sold would be, so if in this case quantity domestic, so domestic firms will produce a quantity which will be equal to 50. Okay, so if all permits are sold, then what will happen? So assume that all permits are sold. So if all permits are sold, then imported quantity, that is quantity from foreign producers, would be 30, and let's say quantity from domestic producers is equals to Q. Okay, so domestic producers are selling a are willing to produce a quantity Q. Okay, and let's say the price is equals to P. So then the total quantity demanded will be equal to total quantity supplied, which should be equals to 30 plus small q. Okay. Now the total quantity is 30 plus small q, which means the price so to sell a quantity 30 plus q, the price must satisfy this demand equation. Okay, so quantity demanded is 30 plus q, so this implies 30 plus q should be equal to 100 minus p by 2. So that is your equation number 1, which is demand equals to supply, and equation number 2 must be price equals to marginal cost for domestic producers this is your equation number 2. So this equation implies that so what is going to be the price equals to marginal cost? So marginal cost so this is your supply function. Okay, so since domestic industry is a competitive industry, you know that the supply curve will follow the marginal cost equation. So the marginal cost equation is going to be P minus 50 supply curve is price must be equal to marginal cost of this supplier. Price must be equal to marginal cost, so 200 minus 2q, so that is your marginal cost. Yes, sorry, 200 minus 2q must be equal to, yeah, supply curve is basically a marginal cost curve, so this must be equal to P. So you have your equation number 1 and equation number 2. So you can use these two equations to solve for P, and you know that quantity of domestic this should be equal to small q. Yeah, small q. This is just domestic production. Alright, so what we get is 1 from 1 comma 2 we get 30 plus q is equals to 100 minus p by 2, and p is equals to 200 minus 2q, which implies p by 2 minus 100 100 minus 2. Sorry, 50 plus q. This should be equal to 50 plus q. I took the wrong equation. 50 plus q must be equal to p. 50 plus q must be equal to p. Yeah, now it will make sense. 50 plus q. So I'm just going to substitute this value here. So I get 30 plus q is equals to 100 minus 50 plus q by 2. So this becomes 75 plus q by 2, 75 minus q by 2, right? So I get 3q by 2 3q by 2 is equals to 75 minus 30, so that is 45. So this means domestic production will be equal to 90 by 3, so that is 30. So total quantity is q plus 30, so that should be equal to 60. So the price will be equal to, it will come from the demand curve. So from the demand curve you get price, where's the demand curve? Yeah, from the demand curve, since price equals to 200 minus 2q, so price is equals to 200 minus 2q, so that's 200 minus 120, so that is 80. So the price is 80 rupees. So now I want to calculate the profit of exporter. So this will be price domestic minus price foreign into quantity of permit, quantity allowed in permit. I can use another color. So yeah, profit of exporter is equals to price, this is your price domestic, I was using another color, right? Profit of exporter is equals to price domestic minus price foreign into quantity of permit, quantity allowed in permit. So that would be equal to, domestic price is 80 minus foreign price is 60, and the quantity allowed per producer is 0.1. So that's going to be 2 rupees. Okay, so you have to multiply it with 1000. So yeah, quantity is 100, so you just write 100 here, so that's that becomes 2000. Yeah, okay, so you use it in kgs and not tons. So the answer is going to be rupees 2000.